Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another tutorial. And today's tutorial is going to be on how to get my wallpapers. So I have had some comments saying my wallpapers are nice and how do you get them. So basically what I use is Wallpaper engine. So I'll be showing you how to set it up and how to get the exact wallpapers. So firstly, you go on Steam. So basically I just got a Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. It is downloading. I will be posting a series on each play. Like, I'm only gonna play when I'm recording, and I'll post the entire series on YouTube. So stay tuned for this. It's almost done, 87% done. But let me show you how to get my wallpapers, or even better wallpapers. So firstly, once you're on Steam, right? You'll be here. You search wallpaper, and this will come up, Wallpaper engine. So for me it's 47 rand, it's around $3, and yeah. So basically, if you cannot get this, if you cannot if you don't want to spend money, and you want to get a free, the exact wallpapers for free, comment down below, because I'll drop another video on another website you can get for another app you can get for free, which you can put the exact stuff. Just a little bit more effort to put in it, but just let me know down in the comments if you want to have that. But if you want to know how to get my exact wallpapers, watch. So basically, once you buy Wallpaper engine and you download it, it should make a shortcut automatically on your screen, like this one right here. So basically with this, you double click on it, obviously. So as you can see, loading, and it opens. Basically I have a lot of random wallpapers, and when I click choose display, I have two monitors. So this is the main monitor that you're seeing right now, like you all see, and then this is my second monitor. This was really good graphics. So yeah, so these are my wallpapers, and I only just updated it to the cherry blossom theme. Before it was a gas station type theme. You can see in my earlier videos, I think. And basically I'll be showing you can get any wallpaper basically. So for example, you click discover. So if you want, let's just search security breach. I don't know if there'll be anything. Yeah, there is. See, this is how you know Wallpaper engine is really good, is because Security Breach came out last month, and there's already more than 8 pages of wallpapers, and they not no effort put into them. They're actually really good ones. For example, look at this one, bro. And how do you may ask, how do you put it on? So basically, for example, you want to put this wallpaper on. So you search whatever you want basically first. Then you click on the one you like. Once you click on the one you like, it should show like this on the side. You click subscribe. But subscribing, it's not really subscribing on YouTube. It's downloading it. So basically, once I've subscribed, it automatically puts it on, and yeah, it is, and actually looks really good, to be honest. I think I should leave it. Okay, I'll leave it on. Let me just turn my volume off. So basically, a nice thing in Wallpaper engine where you won't really get anywhere else is the music. You can you can basically customize it yourself. That's why Wallpaper engine is what it is. So basically, once you've done this, it automatically saves. You don't need to click OK, because that exits the app. But you have a lot of options here, and there's another thing you can do if you want to. So basically, this is to show higher graphics. Basically, it doesn't really drop your in-game rate. Maybe if you Bitcoin mining, my last video, make sure to check that out. If you Bitcoin mining, I wouldn't suggest it, but I don't Bitcoin mine when I'm gaming, so I'm fine with just having wallpaper on. So as you can see, you make sure, because I don't think the default is on other application focused, it keeps running. Sometimes it mutes or pauses, and your wallpaper won't be running while you're playing a game or something, which isn't so good unless you are gonna do a ultra like I do. So basically, I would suggest keep running. I would suggest put pause per monitor, and the next one pause per monitor, keep running, stop, free memory, and you just leave application rules as it is. Then for the quality, I would suggest ultra, the anti-aliasing, I think, MSAAX2. Remember, I changed all of these settings. I'm not just like randomly setting it. Post processing, ultra. Even if it shows this doesn't really even mean much. Just don't worry about it. Texture, resolution, high quality, FPS. I don't know why I didn't put this up actually. 144. Yeah, let's make it 144. In general, I would suggest not just suggest, necessary. Start with Windows. The reason I say this is, when you start up your PC, you want the wallpapers to be there straight away. You don't want to have to open Wallpaper Engine for the wallpapers to appear. So if you start with Windows, the app opens and automatically closes. So as soon as you turn your PC on, the wallpapers will be there. Use safe start, so it's like safe at the start, obviously. Hotkeys aren't really needed, but if you want to, you can edit and put hotkeys, but it's not really needed, basically. Adjust Windows color, accent color, everything. You can just choose any of these. These you just leave as default. Plugins, this is basically for if you have like a Razer mouse or any peripheral that will link up with apps. For example, my RAM, my Corsair Vengeance RAM, and my Razer Synapse mouse. Both of them link up to apps. So like over here, I can literally just link it. So whatever wallpaper I have, the color scheme will go on my mouse, and the color scheme will go on my RAM. I turned it off for now because I wanted a pink color scheme. I know it's not really going so well because I haven't had my PC done properly, and I haven't put my lights properly on my PC. And I also am trying to get a LED bulb, so it will be like a pink room basically, and brighter than this. Okay, so basically, then about, just leave it as this. So this is good. So basically, that is how you get it. I have some weird ones too. And yeah, let's actually, while we add it, we have this new profile picture. Why do I keep on saying profile picture? This new wallpaper. I'm saying new profile picture because I just updated my profile picture. Make sure to check that out. I think we've already seen it, but because I have this right here, we have to update the second monitor. So choose display, second monitor, change. So now we're gonna discover security breach. Okay. What should I put on the second? Something like this. Let's see. So subscribe. Wait for it now. Steam download. Damn. So let's see them together. Not really. This doesn't really match as well as I thought it would. Let's look at a different one. Okay. This one looks good. Yeah, this looks pretty good. You don't need to just subscribe to one at a time. You can subscribe to many if you want to try them out. Let's look at this one. Okay. Oh. Well, basically, this match is way better actually. It's actually really good. Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex, and you guys can see this one is actually really cool. I can't really show the second monitor because I have it set on my main, but yeah, the second monitor is really cool. Let me actually swap it to this one so you can see how good it looks. So I'll choose display, make it number 1, change wallpaper, and I'll put this. Look, this actually looks amazing, especially like on a monitor with no apps. It actually looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm basically already happy with my wallpapers. Normally, it's not this easy to find wallpapers, but yeah. So basically, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you want a way to get these wallpapers for free, basically, and if you don't want to buy the app. And let me know down in the comments, or any other videos you guys want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. Bye.